If you're having issues with your Canon TS6320, either your certain colors are not printing, or your colors are faded, or even you're not able to print at all, that is a problem that we are going to solve here in this video. So if you are experiencing these issues, please stay tuned. I'm going to give you a solution to quickly and inexpensively solve this problem. Hey you guys, what is going on? Brandon here with Best Printers at bestprinterstech.com. Today we got the Canon TS6320. As I said in the intro, if you're having issues, you're noticing that your colors when you print are coming out faded, if your certain lines when you print, certain colors, certain parts of the print are not showing up, or you're just not able to print at all, I'm going to show you exactly how to solve that problem inexpensively and fairly quickly on your own. You don't need to send it out, you don't need to do anything like that. This is a DIY project. I highly recommend anybody do this. So I am going to provide some information here at the beginning of the video. Please stay tuned and from now until the end of the video. There is very vital and important information that I'm going to be providing to you. First thing is, of course, follow all the steps in this video. And the next thing I do want to mention is the Best Printers cleaning kit. This cleaning kit will actually have instructions on the back of the packaging, and on the inside of the packaging there's instructions as well. So I want you to follow the instructions in the packaging of the Best Printers cleaning kit along with this video, because every printer is a little bit different. If you follow the instructions to the T, you should have no issues and you should be able to solve this problem. Now there will be a link, it's going to be the first link in the description below, for the Best Printers cleaning kit. I highly recommend this product over any other cleaning kit. This is the one I've had the most success with a variety of different printers, the most effective cleaning solution on the market. And this will ship out to you very quickly if you order it. As soon as you watch this video, go ahead and put in an order so that it can reach you as soon as possible and you can begin working. Any other products or services I mentioned in this video, there will be a link to in the description below. Make sure to visit my website, bestprinterstech.com. If this video ends up being helpful to you, please make sure to like. If you have any questions at all, comment below. I will do my best to get to your questions. If you want more content like this, or if you want recommendations on different printers or how to install ink, or some more videos on printer repair, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. That's all I got for now. So without further ado, let's get right into this repair. Alright, so as we mentioned before already, the Best Printers cleaning kit is what you will need, link in the description below. You're also going to need some paper towel and some plastic gloves for protection. You could get some ink on yourself, so this is really all you're going to need to do this repair. Okay, so getting right into it, you are going to have it powered on, of course. And the first thing you're going to want to do is you're actually going to want to go up to your maintenance section. And what you're going to do is, the first thing you're going to do here is print out a nozzle check. But then after that, you're going to print a second nozzle check, but I'll give you some additional instructions in just a minute. So there you go. You've got your maintenance, nozzle check, and you're going to print that out. Now, the reason why you're going to want to print out this nozzle check is because you're going to want to know exactly which color is giving you the most issues. Now, if you are not able to print at all and this won't print out for you, this is not necessary. You will just have to clean the whole print head. And I'll go into that later on in this video. But if you are able to print this report, it will give you a clear indication of what color needs to be cleaned. So next, you're printing out a second nozzle check. Okay, only this time, as soon as you hear the print head moving back and forth, you're going to turn the printer so that you can pull out the cable, because you're going to be unplugging the power cable. As soon as you hear it going back and forth, pull that out so that it's completely shut off. Make sure you follow this step, because you will could potentially damage the printer if you don't do that. You're going to remove the paper that was supposed to print out so that it doesn't obstruct your cleaning. Or really, you could even use this for the cleaning, but I don't recommend that. I recommend that you use the paper towel that you have laying around in the kitchen somewhere, so that's cheap for you. And really, you usually have to remove the ink first, but you can do this either way. So you can go ahead and remove that now. And I will say right now, we'll give a quick word on this, that the reason why you're having the issues you're having is because you have run your ink too low 95% of the time. There's going to be a link in the description below for some new ink. Now again, the Best Printers Cleaning Kit is available in stock. Click the link below so you can go ahead and purchase yours, get it as soon as possible so you can begin working. Okay, so now we're going to show you how to use the Best Printers Cleaning Kit. But first of all, make sure that you pull up your report again at this point once you are actually doing the cleaning, because as you see there, you can match up the different colors. It's very, very comprehensive as far as like which color you need to clean. If you have any questions about that process, comment below. But you're going to grab the tip of the syringe there, and you're going to match it up with the nozzle on the Printhead. Once that's matched up, you're going to then push the cleaning solution right through. And really what I like to do is about 10 milliliters per color per nozzle. If it's the whole Printhead, of course, do like 15 if it's that bad. If it's just faded, still do about 10. But what I like to do is stop around 10 and switching over to the next color that's having an issue. Right there, I stopped a little bit before because black potentially would be a little bit more clogged. This syringe is a 20 milliliter syringe, which is the only syringe that size on the market currently. So that gives you the capacity to push more cleaning solution through faster. And that's exactly what's needing to happen here, is you're needing to push through the old dried up ink that is in this system. That is what is causing the problem. But this, of course, with the ionized cleaning solution, we'll push that right through onto the paper towel. Of course, you want to clean this up once you are finished. But of course, now if you have a problem with all of the colors, nothing's printing, what you just saw me do there, you want to do that to all the colors. On top of that, you can do this 2-3 times. You saw me do it once, but you can do that cleaning to whatever color you wish as many times as you want, as much cleaning solution as you have. Okay, so that's very important for you to know, that you can do any color, all the colors, and just do it in whatever order you feel you need to based on the report and based on what I've told you in this video. So now you're putting everything back together, the ink. Hopefully you've got some fresh ink in there. Again, link in the description below for that. And what you're going to want to do now is print a nozzle check. And a lot of times it will come out with no color at all, but you're going to want to do a deep cleaning, and then keep running nozzle checks until the color gradually will come back. All of it will come back to normal, and you should be printing back to normal exactly how you were when you first got the printer. I hope this video ends up helping. Please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time. Hey YouTube, what is going on? Brandon here with Best Printers, and I wanted to welcome you to my channel. Here you will find reviews on various different printers, ink products, and other non-office related products, as well as repairs, DIY instructional videos that will help you potentially fix your problem if you're having issues with printing a certain color or an overall general print quality issue. I do have a product, the Best Printers Cleaning Kit, that will help you with that. Link in the description below, should be around here somewhere on the side. Really, this is a company that focuses on helping the consumer solve problems and acquiring products at the cheapest price possible, which is where my printer ink products do come in, which you can find on my website, bestprinterstech.com. So highly recommend that if you are looking for a new printer ink, or whatever it might be, search it up on my website, and also make sure to sign up for emails All right, so this is my website, bestprinterstech.com. Very easy to find. Again, link in the description below, but what you're gonna find